how to see your Cash App account number. If you want to see your account number on Cash App, it's actually quite very simple to do it. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch Cash App. Once you launch Cash App, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now from here, what you have to do is you'll find many options. So you want to simply come to the Home tab, which is the home icon that you can find from the bottom left. Once you're there, you'll come to your Home tab, you'll find a cash balance, and beside it you'll find the option called Account and Routing. All you have to do is tap on the Account and Routing button there, and on the next page you'll find your routing number and also your account number on Cash App. You can also see the copy button next to it if you wanna copy that. This way you should be able to see your Cash App account number. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.